This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Misty Cowart. Excellent Hardin Valley location and highly sought after Freemans Farm. This well cared for home features all of the right upgrades. Updated flooring downstairs, and new carpet upstairs add to the custom look of this awesome floor plan. The spacious updated eat and kitchen boast ample cabinetry and lovely countertops. The large master suite has with a remodeled, luxurious master bathroom where you can relax with your huge walk-in shower. All full baths have been updated. New roof, 2021. Screened porch perfect for the enjoying the seasons. If you are wanting or considering Hardin Valley or West Knoxville, please do not miss taking a look at this home. For more information, review the details below or contact Misty Cowart at 865-342-4200.